Alright, so I had bought in some gel blasters for an upcoming video that we're gonna do, and we're gonna unbox them right now. So, we'll start with this box first, and we'll start with this one, I guess. I don't know what the fuck's in it, doesn't really show. And Ray is gonna start with this, show them, I guess, or no?
Yeah,
let's
do. Give me one of those blank boxes.
Yeah, get a blank box, I guess.
And we don't even know what the fuck. Alright,
It just says toy gun blue on it, so okay. Okay, oh, this one's the mini gun. So we got the Orbeez beads, 2 packs of those. Thing to hold the Orbeez beads, 2 of them. 3 packs. 3 packs of the Orbeez beads.
Would this be called a clip or magazine? Post in the comments. Faggots.
And then there's the 2 caps. The battery to charge the gun. Fucking shit.
Hold all this shit. Oh yeah, I forgot these fuckers are battery operated fucking crazy shit.
Oh, safety goggles. You gotta be safe when you're shooting little Orbeez at each other, I guess. And
So wait, the grenades you bought, bro, were just more of these?
no.
They're actual.
They're actual
okay.
Orbeez grenades. Okay, we're gonna take this out of this bubble wrap. Have fun with this bubble wrap later. That's what it looks like.
Oh, that's badass.
Bop, bop. Fucking pretty sick. Has fucking graffiti all over it. Alright, oh wait. Ray, you gotta open yours.
Oh,
yeah, hand me that one.
This one is pretty badass.
That's pretty badass.
Alright. This one's the M416 automatic toy.
Oh, that comes with a lot of shit.
Yeah, let's see what we got going.
Oh.
Bro, I might rock this one.
This was Kyle's, but if you want to rock it, you can.
This shit looks dope.
Okay, so it looks like we got
Put this bitch together.
4 bags of Orbeez. We're gonna have a lot of Orbeez.
Here's the stock. Here's the barrel.
Oh, we gotta put that shit together. Alright.
Oh, this one's badass, bro. Does it come with a fucking laser light?
Oh, and it comes with a holster and some more Orbeez.
Is this called a drum or a high capacity magazine?
Hey, it comes with a little fucking tank you can put Orbeez in. Little gas.
Bro, I think I'm gonna rock this one. This one's badass.
This one is pretty badass. And there's the battery and the fucking charger too. That one looks pretty sick.
A little fucking confused on this part, but I'll show this
Battery.
Yeah, it's for the battery.
Oh, okay. Alright.
That's where you put the battery on that and then you just stick that on.
Yo.
Oh, fuck, bro.
So what is this?
And this has the scope in it and just more Orbeez and a bunch of shit.
So it's got 2 different mags.
Oh, whoa, right on. Yeah, there you go. Fucking. Yeah, maybe? You'll figure it out.
I'll just keep spinning it.
There, oh, shit, there you go. And it locked in place. Perfect.
Bro, this one's
That
pretty
is
fucking
fucking
sick.
killer, actually. I bought it for Kyle as a fucking joke, like it's because it's pink, but it's pretty badass, actually.
Pretty sick. Yeah, more safety glasses, another magazine or clip, whatever you want to call it. And then, oh fuck, bro, throw the scope.
Oh, that scope's even better than the scope that it had in this bag over here. Alright, this one's toy model, switch between manual. This is manual and automatic. It doesn't really say what it is, but we're gonna find out. Okay. Oh, it has tape on it. There we go.
This one's
Ooh,
got
okay.
a jellyfish catcher.
Oh, this one is the 2 ARs.
Oh fuck.
So, okay. This has a bunch of fucking Orbeez beads in it.
Water
Over there.
condom.
Here's the silencers or whatever. It comes with 2 different colored silencers for both guns.
Targets.
Oh, little targets. a Orbi scooper.
Wait, there's only one? No, there's two in there, right?
No, there's two in here. And then here's both the chargers. I'm gonna stick them over here with these, and the glasses, and the Orbeez fucking carriers.
Full auto.
Okay,
No, you guys
here's one of them. These things are little,
Semi-anal.
kind of fucking tiny, but whatever. Little tiny AR.
Dude, oh, that's pretty sick.
Yeah.
It's like
Okay.
a fucking AR and an AK.
Yeah, they're
You see
tiny.
that shit?
They're weird. I thought it was
Looks
gonna
like
be a
an
lot
AR and
bigger.
an AK.
I thought that was gonna be a lot bigger. It's still pretty dope though. Bop, bop.
Oh yeah.
This one, yeah. Fucking red and blue. And then they come with connectors for the loaders and batteries here. Put that over there. All right. Which one are we doing next? Just this one?
I'm
Right
gonna
here?
do this double barrel bit.
Oh yeah.
This
Let's
thing looks
fucking look at that one.
So this is a double barrel gel blaster. It looks pretty much like an AR, but with two fucking barrels, and I don't know. Looks pretty sick.
It does look
It's got titties for a mag or a drum or whatever. You
Yeah.
got tits.
Ew.
Oh, this thing comes with a flashlight. This is a laser. Scope. Shit's
Yeah,
crazy,
it
bro.
has everything, bro. Oh, and it has targets too.
Oh,
And more
fucking fat
Arby's. Yeah.
Oh damn, bro. It's fucking-
Oh, look at that shit.
Mm,
That's gonna be fucking
Yeah.
sick. That's fucking dope though. Yeah, it's. I wonder who gets this one in the war.
Fuck. This might be the dopest one, so that'd be on you. Bro, I'm a little fucking.
Maybe we'll draw names out of a hat or something or do something.
Oh, they should all shoot decently the same. So.
I mean, yeah, but
But-
some of them are just badass
Yeah.
looking.
Oh, it's probably the same shit I had.
Yeah, the twisty twist.
I did that a little after.
Yeah. There you go.
There we go. That's fucking sick. It's
That
got the
is
fucking
sick.
foregrip.
The trucker nut drum on the bottom.
Yeah. Some nuts, some tits. That one's pretty sick.
That is fucking sick.
They all come with a bunch of Orbeez.
Yeah. What is this?
This is the
Oh,
back.
a different barrel.
Oh shit.
Boom.
Throw that bitch on there. Can that just slip on over those?
Yeah,
have to
like
take
do you
those
just how do you pop this out?
off. This one slip on over.
Oh, maybe.
Other.
Oh, other way? Yeah, probably. I'm fucking stupid. No, do
No, they
you
don't
take
come
these off?
somehow. Fuck it. We'll fuck it
Yeah, we'll
later.
fuck it later. Okay.
Do your minigun, bro.
Oh, yes, the minigun. Or actually, yeah, no, let's open that one. I'm pretty sure I know what this is, and this is the grenades. And I was fucking right. There it is. M18
I want to see how that shit works.
I kind of want to see how it works
Yeah.
too. And it also comes with more Orbeez.
Two grenades.
And, yep, there's two of them. I pull the pin and chuck them. But, yeah. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's
I still don't
a
know
funnel.
what
Orbeez funnel.
okay.
And
Yo, bro.
those are fucking
These are
sick.
massive. What the
Damn,
fuck?
bro. What? I want one of these
No,
fuckers.
Yeah.
Pop, pop. That's fucking sick. You see that
evil, bro.
shit?
Ow, fuck. How do they work in the bottom?
Okay, you put the batteries in here, and the loader goes here.
Is there like a safety on this bitch?
I don't think this one has a safety. Is it this here? This is the safety right here.
Oh, okay.
That's fucking sick. Alright, I'll put that over here. And then next, we got this fucking minigun, this Orbeez or Gel Blaster minigun, and obviously it has to come with a bunch more fucking Orbeez. Oh shit! Yeah, it comes with a stand.
Huh?
More safety goggles.
This one's full. I don't know how to disconnect it now.
Loading
Help!
canisters, battery.
I'm trying to get that. That's pretty sick. More safety goggles. Safety.
Okay.
Faggots.
This holds the battery, I guess.
What the fuck is that? Is that the minigun?
Yeah, here.
Oh shit.
And then take the barrel.
Bro, these came out pretty fucking sick.
Yeah,
Why weren't
For
these
real.
like a thing always?
I don't know. It's like in between airsoft and paintball.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
That's pretty fucking dope. How do you shoot this bitch?
Well, we gotta put the battery on it.
Where's the switch? Oh, right here. You gotta shoot with your pinky.
Oh,
Oh wait, do you flip it upside down? There it
is this the safety? Or is that on and off?
You hold it like, yeah, you hold it like that.
Oh yeah, you hold it like that.
Why is this? Oh, should I?
Yeah. No, you did. Wait, what are you doing?
Pull this.
Yeah.
in.
Oh yeah, yeah. You need that up. Okay.
There we go. And then you shoot here.
Yeah, like that.
That's
Okay.
pretty fucking badass.
That is pretty.
I thought. Yeah, and then the space.
Oh, maybe it's just a bigger battery. Is that one? Is this thing a bigger battery? What is this? It has like a counter on it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Does it count how many shots you fired?
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll figure it out once. Yeah, once. we
Yeah.
see. That's pretty sick. These are pretty sick.
Yeah. Put that over
They're
there.
pretty fucking dope.
Is that all of them?
I think so. Unless that's not. That's
Oh.
just a bucket.
Is that yeah? We'll show off the bucket, and then an Orbeez bucket to carry them all. More guns are coming. We'll do another unboxing when they get here. But like and subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next video. Next video, I'll be marrying a monkey.